Good. Who's on duty today? But who's absent? Okay, thank you. Sit down. Let's start our today's lesson. Before starting, I want you to divide into two groups. Okay? Everybody come here. I clap my hands 2 times. 2 students should stand together. Okay? When I clap my hands 3 times or 5 times, 5 or 3 students should stand together. Okay? 1, 2, 3. 2 students. 2 students. I clapped my hand twice. Okay, let's try it again. Walk, walk, walk. 4. Okay, again, let's try it again. Walk, walk. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Go. 5, 6, 6. How many? 6. Let us go to that group. Okay. You guys will be first group. You guys will be second group. Okay. You guys will be Egypt group. Egypt. You. Now let's do topics. You should tell about sentences. Okay. When you think about traveling, what kind of taste comes first? Who wants? Any volunteers?
Croissants.
Come. What taste? The topic is traveling. What taste comes first?
I want to say I want to go into Paris. So when I imagine places, I will imagine croissants.
Yes, good. What about smell?
Perfumes.
Perfumes. Okay, good. What's that?
Big skyscrapers.
Yes, very nice. Sound.
Sounds of beaches.
Okay, good. What about touch?
Presents.
Presents, yeah.
Or back beach.
Okay, very nice. Take your seats. Yes, perfect.
Taste maybe cakes.
Yes, taste of cakes.
Sight, music.
Yes.
Sound, confetti.
Maybe music. Music,
yeah.
and you can organize a disco on your birthdays, yeah. What about sights? You can decorate your house, yeah, on your birthdays, yeah.
And touch, gifts.
Gifts, yeah. You can try to open your gifts. Okay, thank you. Okay, you did a great job, guys. I want you all stand up. One volunteer. I'm going to turn back. Okay, to try to predict it. Okay.
An opening of this scenery of the lake, next to the trees, an amazing pond with clear water. A person walks in it. Then we can see like a cave, a beautiful side of the stepdom. There's a food, yummy food, ice cream in there. So the person is eating and he's happy. So next we can see a person in the airplane and he's seeing like the ocean. Yeah, there's amazing like plan a city. I guess it's
Okay. Could you guess?
Traveling.
Maybe. Yes.
About history.
About maybe.
Nature.
Any ideas?
About beautiful cities.
Yes, about
Or
beautiful
traveling
cities.
to other countries.
Okay, I want you to turn and watch it together.
Amazing places. There's no place on Earth like Hawaii. Discover the greenest places on the planet. Dive into the bluest ocean at the world's most beautiful beaches. Experience the local culture.
and sample local products. You can also
Amazing places.
About amazing places, yeah. What kind of have you traveled abroad, guys? Please sit down. Take a seat. Have you traveled? Who have?
I was abroad several times, and of course I had experience of seeing amazing places. So, for example, I can say about Germany, about castles, only in Europe. So, for me it was amazing experience. So yeah, I can think it's Swiss art team.
What kind of countries have you traveled?
So it was in 6 countries, I guess.
Oh.
Yeah, so in Montenegro, in Armenia, in Czech Republic, in Germany. Uzbekistan.
Uzbekistan, yeah. What city did you go?
Samarkand.
Samarkand.
Yeah.
I haven't been abroad yet, but I have seen a lot of beautiful places around Kazakhstan. For example, Mausoleum of Hajj Ahmed Yesevi is a historical monument not only of Kazakhstan, but of the whole world,
Yes.
I believe. And also there are wonderful places, natural places,
Yes.
like Baraboy, different natural, yeah. So in our Kazakhstan, we have also a lot of
Amazing places, yeah. Thank you. Ikerim, do you want to?
I saw many really fantasy places on the internet, so I plan in the future I will go to the abroad and visit this place, amazing places.
Yes. Today you have an opportunity places like Italy, Japan. Would you like to see Japan?
Yeah.
Would you like to see Italy?
Yes,
of course, yeah. During the lesson, if you do the tasks correctly and in time, we can travel to different countries in the world, amazing places in the world. Okay?
Yes.
Now, okay, today we are going to talk about amazing places, yeah? So this is an assessment sheet. Assessment sheet. 6, yeah? Please write your name. I want to write your names here, the learner's name. Just your name get 10 points at the end of the lesson, okay? I want you to tick in each lesson how many points do you get from the task, okay? Amazing. Any questions?
No.
No questions? Good. Reading and speaking. We're going to read the text of amazing places and talk about amazing places too. We are going to make a presentation, yeah, about amazing places. Okay. Here is the task for you. I want you to work in groups. I want you to match these new words with definitions. For this task, you can get 2 points. Okay. Particular groups. I think volunteers from each group. Samira, would you like to check their work if it's correct or not? And from the first group, who wants to come and check their work? You come. You come, please. And check. Then let's clap our hands. All of you, the 2 groups have done it correctly. That's why all of you want to put it 2 points, okay? For your assessment sheet. Okay, guys, you have done great work. So we are in Egypt now. Look, here is the key. Please check it. Compare your work with this key. Let's go forward. Okay, now please everybody open your student's book, page 110. 110. Here are 4 texts, yeah? About Egypt and about Kazakhstan. You should read it. You should read about Petra, Jordan and China. Okay? Just read it.
What we need to read?
Just read. I'm going to give a task. Okay, here is the task, exercise 4. There are some synonyms, yeah? Synonyms of words in this text. I want you to work in groups, yeah? Come to the board. No, first Astana group, you come, please. Only 1 minute you have to do this task, yeah? In groups, Yıldız come. Match the synonyms with the words, okay? Do you know how to work with these words? No. You didn't get any point for this task, yeah, because you had mistake. You had 2 mistakes. Second group you got 1 point for the correct answer, yeah. Now we are which place is this? Which place is this?
Italy.
Yes, we are in Italy, guys. Okay, we are traveling abroad. Okay. Now, we are going to travel to Japan. If you will have done the task correctly, okay? I want you to read the text and make up 2 true or 2 false, 2 true, 1 false, or 2 false, 1 true sentences in groups, okay? Let's work. Work in group. Should you work in pairs? Should you work in pairs? Should you work in pairs? Yes or no? Should you work in pairs? No. Should you work individually? No. Should you work in groups?
Yes.
Should you make question sentences? Question sentences. Should you make question sentences? No. Should you make negative sentences? Maybe, yeah? Should you make true or false sentences? Yes. Then work. You have 4 minutes to work. Okay? You have 4 minutes to work. Are you students? Have you finished?
Yes, yeah.
Okay, good. Then who wants to start first? You have finished it first. That's why you should start first. Okay? Okay. Now, it's true or false. Okay?
Because Cairo
Raise
is
your hand.
the capital city of Egypt.
Shanghai is quiet city without any activities.
It's false again.
Why? City was capital of the King Rock almost 2,000 years ago.
True. That's true.
Yes. Raise your hand. Stand up, please.
That's true because the whole city was covered out of the pink rock almost 2,000 years ago.
It is correct? Yes? Okay. Very nice. Let's clap our hands to the book. Can you please? Who's going to read it?
100 meters.
200 meters. Is this?
You young gardens enjoyment of Shanghai?
Yes.
Young gardens? Why?
Is it peaceful?
Yes, this is true because Asim said that she was really enjoyed about this. Yes,
It's correct.
Is your answer correct?
yes.
Uh-huh.
You can see the Western culture in Shanghai.
Yes, that's true.
Yes, it's true.
Why do you think it's
Because Shanghai is a mix of the Chinese culture and the Western culture. So Western culture is a different skyscrapers that built in Shanghai.
Our
It's not
sentence was
true.
you
It's
can't,
false.
you can't see Western. Our
Okay,
sentence
read your sentence again.
You can't see the Western culture in Shanghai.
We
You
You can't
misunderstood it.
Yeah, that's
Yeah,
true.
you said you can't see. He
so
said
he said
something.
can't first, so
Yeah.
No, he said can't.
the key is to be louder. So we think we're alright.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. It's okay. Okay. Now you got 2 points. Just take it. 2 points. You got 2 points. Yeah. Okay. Now you did great job. Where are we? Where are we? We are in Japan. Yeah. We're going to continue our traveling.
We're going to Russia.
Which city is it? Which place is it? It's Russia. It's
Let's go.
Moscow. Yeah. It's the palace. You know. Now the task is there are some questions in the boxes. No. Let me open it. Okay, here are some boxes, and under the boxes some questions, and there is a prize under one box. In the box, you can get 1 point without answering any question, and there is one box, and in it there is a prize for you. It's a bar of chocolate. Okay. And also in one box there is an audience. You can see an audience, a picture of audience, and an audience will give you a question. Okay, so you should answer the question from the audience. Okay, other boxes there are ready questions. The questions are related to the texts. Okay, who wants to try? Who wants to try? Dania, please. Which number? Which box do you want? Okay. Which box did you choose?
First.
First. Okay, who wants to answer the questions? Related to the any question you can answer. Any question? Is this correct? Please check. Who got tired at the end of the? It is correct, right? That's correct. Okay. Very nice. You got 1 point.
Which person was far away from Shanghai, China?
Which person took their time?
Which person
Which
was far
person
away?
was far away from villages and towns?
I'm
Which person? The answer should be a person.
Saturday. Which person? Sorry. Because she has some she has business meeting.
Maybe. Is your answer correct? Okay. Good. Okay, guys, are you tired? Are you tired? Now, yes. Little bit, maybe, yeah. Do you want to play a game?
Yes.
You know, guys, this game, scavenger hunt, yeah. Now, I'm going to give you only 2 minutes. 2 minutes to find as many items as it possible. Okay? You take it. To look for the items, necessary items. Okay. I think. Okay, are you ready to present? Okay. Come. Time is over. Don't look it. Looking for her. Okay. Who wants to start? Which group wants to start first? You hold your papers.
So the first is sunglasses. So there's sunglasses.
Okay, good.
I have potted plant
Uh-huh.
and
Toy truck, our toy truck is
Okay, here is the picture of toilet truck. Okay, good. Flashlight, okay.
we have pencil, green, something green,
Uh-huh.
and we have cup.
Yeah.
We have dice.
Alarm clock.
Yeah, alarm clock also, yeah.
And we have a paper plane,
Yes.
airplane.
Okay, good.
Ruler and
And we have
A book?
yes. Also
yes,
something green.
Something green, okay. Dice?
and the crayon.
dice, our dice.
And we have crayon.
Yes, good. Good. How many items can you find? Let's count it. How many items? 12 items? 12. They have found 12 items, okay? You did great job. Let's clap.
Found all
Oh,
items.
man, really?
Track, we have drawn it.
Okay, good.
Ruler. We have building blocks,
Yes.
salt and pepper,
Salt and pepper. Think of just drawing.
cup,
Yeah.
keys,
Yeah.
Keys.
Uh-huh.
flashlight,
Yes.
alarm clock,
Yeah.
book,
A book. Yeah.
pencil,
Yes.
something green,
Yes.
and dice.
Very
Dice.
nice. Very nice. Okay, good. Very nice. They have found almost 16 items, yeah? Then, this group is Astana group is complete. You did great. Now, you are going to give two volunteers from each group. One volunteer from each group. Please come. Please come. Yeah. Any student. No, not you.
Yes.
Okay, good. You guys have had gotten 2 points, yeah? You should take it on your assessment sheets. What is this? Yes. Which city in Uzbekistan? Tashkent. Samarkand. It's Samarkand. Where are we now? In Samarkand, yeah? Doing this task, we came to Samarkand, okay? This is volunteers from the no volunteers. This is for first group. This one is for the second group. Astana group, this is for you. Yeah. Egypt group, this is for you. You should think about 5 things. Okay, the rule is you have visited China. And imagine zombie paper, rock, and scissors. Sulifa. Okay? I want you to play paper, rock, and scissors. Okay? You start. Who is the winner? You winner. Okay, choose. Let's choose a topic. Guys, listen. Astana group, please listen. He's going to choose a place to make a presentation for you. Okay? Going to make a presentation, yeah? For this, students listen. For this, you can take any photo from the board, okay, if you need. And you have the board papers and colorful, what's this? Pencils, yeah? You can do this. We can take it. Okay, you go.
urbanistic.
So it's located in Kazakhstan. In the city lies on the banks of the Ishim River in the north central part of Kazakhstan. So it's the location.
We have we have sport arena where we can doing sport, and we have hand center and many business meeting halls, and we have Baytalik. Tower Baytalik. Population of Astana is
8,000.
8,000.
84,000.
84,490, yeah? 90 people.
So, if we talk about the places that, what's special about this place, so at first I'll start with the fact that Expo was held in Astana, so it was one of the biggest events, right? And it was held in this like amazing capital. So the next is that it's not only Expo was held here. Different meetings of different organizations that Kazakhstan involved in is here, right? So it tells us about a very big political meaning behind this capital, and also in 1889 it was called capital of the world. Like it was given the status, so it means how special this place to the whole world. It shows the new architecture that actually have style of Western, of Asian, of Soviet cultures mixed together, and a lot of different country people, like different cultural mixes here. We can see that represents the capital of Kazakhstan. Also, the tourists here can visit a lot of different places, and of course they can make amazing photos.
Yes. Thank you, you did great job. Okay, you please stand there. Wait. What do you want to add something to the presentation?
I think the presentation is I believe that their presentation is very nice. We've known a lot of new information about Astana, but I can say that their presentation is a little bit messy. They could make it more beautiful maybe, but there are plenty of information. Thank you so much. We loved it. Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Is it worth for 2 points?
Yes, of course.
You got 2
They
points,
worked
guys.
hard.
Yeah? Okay.
This country in the world is really developed country. It is in the list of 7 developed countries of the world, and so we can see the picture of Japan. It's a traditional clothes of Japanese, so we can see that they cherish their culture very much. And we've also drawn the flag of Japan. It's on white canvas. There is a red circle. Now we want to say about the location of Japan. Northwest Asia, Asian to the east of the Eurasian continent. For Japan is in or string of Iceland on the west eastern edge of Asia. Also, we want to mention interesting facts about Japan. Japan is extremely clean. Tokyo is the world's most populated city, and Japan's population is 98% Japanese. Places to visit here. The first Naka has an unspoiled atmosphere and local vibes. Next, Nezu Shrine. The Shrine is the best known for its Azali festival in springtime, and also it's a great spot to visit all year round. This place. Hiro. Although Hiro is located within a short distance from the busy areas such as Shibuya, and it has more relaxing and calm atmosphere. So these are main attractions of Tokyo. And also we've drawn the character of anime is related to the Japan culture, which is really popular nowadays among teenagers, and not only teenagers but among all people. So yeah, it's popularizing now very fast. I think we have included all important details of Tokyo, Japan in this presentation. Thank you for your attention.
Okay.
In my opinion, they work really good for their presentation. Their presentation was really useful for us because in this presentation have a lot of really beneficial information for us, and this was great this was great game. Thanks to this information, we develop our brain about every cities in this Japan. And also, they prove their information to follow this description, and it's really good. Yes.
You have seen already. First group, you have visited. Imagine you have visited China, okay? And zombies are going to attack you. The Great Wall. You're going to protect yourself and the Great Wall from zombies. Think about 5 things to protect you, and persuade your decision. Okay. Yeah, this scenario is for you. You have visited London and you are in Buckingham Palace. The palace is being attacked by witches. Okay. Think about 5 things to protect you and the palace from witches, and persuade your decision. Okay. You have 5 minutes to work. 5 minutes. First one.
China and amazing zombies were going to attack the Great Wall of China. Think about 5 things to protect yourself and Great Wall from zombies. Persuade your decision.
Our first step.
First stop, don't panic, be quiet, don't make a noise, escape them.
Try to be very quiet, really, because any noise they can attract them. Because zombies they don't have vision, but they can hear you. Like they have good quality of hearing. So be quiet.
The second step, run away fast without noise, or hide somewhere.
So if you have no opportunity to run away, then you can find some safety zone and then hide there. And if it's possible, be really quiet and just wait for the help.
Third step, try to find arms against zombies to protect yourself if it is possible.
Maybe some weapons or gun, but yeah, something like this, or even just sticks.
Where people are concentrated because there less risk that you will be caught by zombies.
Only when people are united, they can fight with enemies. They can find solution. So go to places where there are people concentrated. Yeah, some military campuses or military bases.
First steps, hope for military
force. We don't have any strength and possibilities to fight with zombies, so we have to hope for military.
Thank you. You did great job. Do you want to add something? What would you do when?
I don't want to fulfill their information because they gave us amazing examples of what we can do. They follow the descriptor.
Yes.
So I think they did a good job. I don't have anything to add.
Yes.
But I can say that you need a lot of friends.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, a lot of friends. Good.
To win these wishes. The first one is pleasant. Firstly, when we will protect ourselves from the witches, we can pray, and also witches, evil spirits, so we can pray to God. Yes, the next one is weapon, obviously.
Equipping with weapons can give us some benefits to killing witches and saving ourselves. So we solve it through equipping these weapons.
Yes, thank you. And the next one is lamp.
We can use lamp to escape or leave the place in the dark because they can see in the dark, but we can't. And we can use fire as the lamp, and they are afraid of fire.
Yeah.
And
It is useful.
And the fourth is food and water. It's food is necessary for our health because we must to be really strong to win these witches. And thanks to food, we gain full of energy, and it's really great. It will change to win witches. They will increase this chance. Yes. And the five is car.
Car. Who's going to go to car? Why do you want to stay?
No, it's not car. It's emergency.
Emergency supplies will sustain first aid kits. And we need first aid kit for our heels and the strength to keep our strength.
If you get an injuries, yeah, you can just
If you have it,
first aid kit helps you.
So about thinking critically, we are going to fight the witches in Buckingham Palace. So it's a very big palace. It's like has a complicated plan. So for us, I think we need to lock all of the windows. We need to hide. We need to lock ourselves in different rooms to be safe from the witches and also to win some time to fight them.
Thank you. Good job. You did a great job. Yeah. Do you want to add?
Nothing to add because their presentation was really nice. They have mentioned all examples. They had steps what to do if we were attacked by witches. Thank you for the information. Now we are aware of how to protect ourselves from witches.
Yeah.
It was really nice advices.
Yeah, we got some advices from them. Yeah. It was nice. Thank you. Sit down. Take a seat. Which place is this? Which place is this? It's Astana. It's our capital city. Yes, of Kazakhstan. Okay, it means that we're at the end of the lesson. So for this task, I appreciate all of you guys your work. So all of you got 2 points from this task. Okay. So we are in Astana. We traveled to different places and we came to Astana, our native town. Yeah. Okay. This is the end of the lesson. Let's think about our learning objectives. What were they? Our learning objectives were reading, yeah? Through reading, we had to practice our speaking. Did we follow it?
Yes.
Yes, yeah. Did we read the text?
Yes.
Yes, yeah. Have we worked with these texts?
Yes.
Have we created a presentation?
Yes.
Did we learn more information about
Yes.
about amazing places? Amazing, amazing. Okay, now you have your assessment sheets on your hands. Assessment sheet. Okay, how many points did you get? No one? No, nine. You have 10 points, yeah? That's good, good. I'm going to gather it. Please give me your assessment sheet. Assessment sheet. Now take it. This is about our lesson. What did you learn from this lesson? Three things you learned. 2 ways you could use this. 1 thing I need to help with. I want you to write your name first, then fulfill it, okay? Take it and write.
Learn new information about Tokyo, about Japan. Also, I've known new information about Astana, a lot of new interesting facts. Also, I learned how to work in team, friendly. We had productive work together. 2 weeks I could use this. I could use all these things that I've learned here and during the other lessons. Also, I can use it in like this teamwork. I can use in my relationship with my friends and in my own class. In our class. And one thing I need help with, I think I need help with. I have some help with fulfilling the time because sometimes I can't follow the requirements very well. So overall, I'm really thankful to you and all my classmates for this interesting lesson. We had a lot of captivating games, and it was so nice. I had really a good time with my classmates during this lesson. Thank you.
Thank you.
To present new information. The second is to work in group. In a group of people you don't know, maybe it was a little bit hard, but it was interesting because we all know English a little bit, so we didn't have this language barrier that we may have when we'll talk in Kazakh and Russian, right? So the third is new information because everyone was talking about.
I want you to choose any place, any unusual place in the world that we don't know, okay? So then make a presentation about it, okay? In pairs. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
See you.